Jumping rope is a full-body workout, so it burns many calories in a short time. For an average-sized person, jumping rope might even burn more than 10 calories a minute. To lose 1 pound of fat per week, you need to create a consistent calorie deficit of 500 to 1,000 calories per day. That amounts to around 3,500 calories per week. Weight loss isn't the only potential health benefit of jumping rope. So here's some of the benefits you should know. Jumping rope improves your heart health. When you use jump rope as a workout routine, you'll be elevating your heart rate to a higher intensity than it's used to. High-intensity workouts have been shown to make your heart stronger and decrease your risk of stroke and heart disease. Jumping rope can decrease belly fat. No workout is effective on its own, without dieting, to get rid of belly fat. But HIIT exercise like jump rope has been linked to trusted source faster fat loss results, particularly around your abdominals and your trunk muscles. By pulling your core tight during a jump rope exercise routine, you can target that area and start sculpting abdominals. Jumping rope can improve your balance. It takes some coordination and balance to pull off a full jump rope workout. But practicing consistently will improve your ability to do it, and give you better balance and coordination in your day-to-day life, too. One study trusted source of young soccer players showed that jumping rope as a training exercise improved coordination and balance on the field. Last but not least, jumping rope tone your calves, tighten your core, improve your lung